Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our Mallorca, Spain honeymoon travel vlog. If you haven't seen part 1, go back to our page and check it out. Right now we're just enjoying dinner at the hotel. This is the end of day 3. Remember, we went to Grand Feliz Beach Club, which was amazing, and we can't wait for day 4. Hey everyone, we went to a couple beach clubs today. First one was the Anssia Gastrobeach Club. I'm going to do a short little snippet of that one because the big review is Nikki Beach. So let's check it out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outside Look. Today we're going to Anssia Gastrobeach Club here in Mallorca.
Where do you want to park? I gotta tell you, the street city, nigga, I don't know.
It starts at like 12, closes at 6.
Ooh, that's late.
But it's so worth it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes they have on Sunday afternoon, they have a day event 7 till 12.
Oh.
Listen, that beach club was 10 out of 10, but we about to go to Nikki Beach, which is also a 10 out of 10 and my favorite beach club in the world. Let's check it out. No, she's fire. Remember, we're coming tomorrow. We just did Nikki Beach twice. Pause. That was the most nastiest glizzy I ever ate in my life. 0 out of 10.
Chicken burrito, awesome chicken.
Okay, it's day 5. We about to go to Nikki Beach again to get some food, but for real, it's because we're some birds. And then we're about to go to Porto Plates, I believe. We're going to jump around everywhere in this scene. So day 5 was the busiest day. Let's check it out.
Oh, I see. They have the actual thing. Oh, those were.
Oh, the little mirror. So here's the deal. Yesterday we went to Nikki Beach just to confirm about the cancellation policy because it's supposed to storm really bad today. As you can see, it's about to storm. They were really cool. They said if it's storm, we can cancel or we can stay in a restaurant. Either way, they up for the vibes. Going to Mallorca, Spain in October, you will get bad weather, but it's still worth it. But I recommend coming during the season when it's less rain. So we pulled up to Nikki Beach. It's raining and we are just chilling in the restaurant. It was still a vibe. We had great lunch, but we're going to explore after Nikki Beach. Something's on me?
Just the leaf. The rain's about to start.
About to start, oh yeah. Oh, they about to get caught first.
Oh, it closes at 7 today, not 6.
Huh?
It closes at 7 today, not 6.
So Nikki Beach is absolute vibe, but right now we about to head to Portos. I hope I'm saying that right. Just to walk around because the rain has finally slowed down. So let's check it out. So we're in Portos. This is like picturesque. I better get a compliment.
You look amazing.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect couple.
Oh, thank you. As you can see, I'm trying to keep up with her fly. She's been getting compliments all week from locals.
That was funny.
We explored a couple places. Tell me your recap.
Oh, recap is a little bit too much, but it is amazing. Every restaurant, every beach club, every drink, every food item that I've eaten, top tier.
What do you think about Puerto Porto so far since we just got here about 10 minutes ago?
Puerto Porto is definitely it. It's lined with mega yachts, super yachts, very bougie. They like to sit out and just people watch and have their cigar, their coffee, their cappuccino, their espresso, their wine, whatever their fancy is, and just sit and watch with no music.
The no music part is the craziest part of it all. So while in Puerto Portos, we went and got this super flavorful cappuccino with like this dessert you'll see in a second. I'll leave the address at the bottom, but today has been a great vibe, but it's a rainy, muggy day. So we're about to go back to the hotel and relax and stay tuned for the next day. Thank you for watching. No, it's raining. So we're in Port Adriano and our hotel, Pure Salt, is up the hill. And we decided just to walk around. We're going to try to find lunch, and we found a super hidden gem. It was really delicious, but that's what we're doing. We're walking around and checking out these beautiful boats and the vibes. The whole entire country is absolutely beautiful. It's not even able to be captured unless you're far away. Oh, yeah. I've got the Sorsalt Harbor downstairs. Looked like it was a restaurant, but I didn't know. Yeah, I knew that over there. Yeah, but I. Oh yeah. So we import Adriano. Look at these cars. What else you noticed, Ted? Obviously the boats, because we had a fort, the restaurants. Everything looks super like fly and cool. Really cool stuff. So. We are on day 100 of our honeymoon. Tiff is recording. We about to go on a boat. How do you feel, Tiff, so far?
Excited.
Man, it's a rainy, muggy day, but we have a boat trip. We got it through Get Your Guide. I'm gonna leave the details of the actual tour in the description of this video. That big castle you're looking at is the cathedral in Mallorca, and we didn't get a chance to check it out, but it's a great opportunity to check it out if you're ever in Palma. We parked our car in the parking garage. I think it cost about 20 bucks, and now we're just walking over to the marina, and we are gonna meet at the meeting point that they gave us in the Get Your Guide description. In the last 4 minutes of this video, you'll see us on this catamaran sailing from Palma all the way around the island. The weather cut our trip a little bit short, but we got about 4 hours out of it. Once again, I highly recommend this Get Your Guide tour. I'll leave the description once again in the bio. But thank you guys for watching the outside look. I'm gonna stop talking in these last 3 minutes because it's an absolute vibe. There's no need to narrate. When you get a chance, subscribe to our channel because we are putting a lot of effort to give you better quality videos, better quality narration, and just better quality experience on these travel vlogs that I'm trying to give you guys. Make sure you follow our TikTok. That's where we do a lot of our restaurant reviews at The Outside Look. That's our TikTok, as well as our Instagram at The Outside Look. Our YouTube channel, once again, is The Outside Look USA. Leave a comment if I missed something. I'm human, so I need to know what I missed so I can do better for my next videos. Our next 3 videos are actually in the States. It's going to be in Washington, D.C. We're going to visit the African American Art Museum. We're going to be in Philadelphia. We're going to a French Alps snow party on the shore in Jersey, which is weird. And our final video for the year is going to be New Year's Eve in New York City. We're going to be in Soho. We're going to show you how to turn up in New York City. Thank you guys for watching The Outside Look.